There are just some songs that could not be songs without the piano. And so we are gonna be looking at those songs today. You're gonna hear them, they're gonna get stuck in your head, they're never gonna leave. I'm gonna teach you how to play the first parts of all of these songs so that you can sound really impressive and you can have some fun at the piano, because every piano player should know these songs. So let's start with our first one. Stuck in my head already. It's called The Entertainer. It's by Scott Joplin. I don't know about you, but when I was growing up, this is the song the Ice Cream Man played. Every day of the summer, I'd hear it in the ice cream truck, and it was not fun for me. I don't love the song for that reason, but it's such a cool song, so I'm gonna teach it to you anyways. Okay, so this one's really fun. We're gonna go D, D sharp, tuck our thumb to E, and then we're gonna move to C, E, C, E, C. That's terrible singing, Lisa. So start there. Do, do, tuck your thumb. And then you're gonna place your thumb on C. And then you're gonna move to D, and then D sharp, and then E, C, D, E, B, D, C. When you put the left hand in, we're gonna be playing C with E and G. E with B flat and C, F with A and C, E with G and C. Reset your hand here. G, C and E, G, B, C, G, C. I couldn't sing that low, sorry. And when you put it together very slowly, then the left, get this one ready. Beginning. So you might need to rewind that, review it a few times, but that'll give you a start at least. I'm gonna do it once more. Left hand moves. And here it is at the tempo you will want to work towards. Fun. It's actually fun to play, even though it gets stuck in your head and it reminds me of the Ice Cream Man, which is not a bad thing, but it would play for so long. Anyways, okay, here's the next one. Something like that. That's Chariots of Fire. Okay, it's like that's that epic song that plays. It's originally from Chariots of Fire, but I feel like Hollywood has used this so many times. Anytime there's like this epic moment in a movie, this is happening. So you're gonna start, just simply place your left hand on D. You can use an octave or just play a D and hold it. Your right hand's gonna play 2 finger on D, then B and G, and then D and A, and then G and B. And then you can go from that 5 and 3 to 2 and 4, F sharp and A, and then D and F sharp. I'll do it again. If you play this first, then you repeat that. Then you repeat that correctly. And you stay on the F sharp. So don't move back down to the D, F sharp, just stay up here. Then it repeats again. F sharp and A, D and F sharp. We've already done this. Here's the new part. F sharp, B and G, F sharp, D, D. Now you can harmonize that by moving your whole hand down and putting an F sharp under the D, and then an A and a D, but you don't have to do that. So I'm gonna play that all together so it makes sense exactly what I did. So got your D here. You can play it whenever you feel like it. Pretty great, right? And then when you're ready, you can get that rhythm going. Dun, dun, dun. you pull this onto the piano, it's, you know, there's a little wiggle room, I think, as the song really develops. But you have the bones now, you have the foundation, so now you can have some fun with it, and we can move on to our next very important to know song, which is, I will let you guess. Carlton, this song is so iconic. It is the piano song. In fact, I think in the music video, she's playing a piano in the back of a vehicle driving down the road. I think I have that right. It's so cool. It's so pretty, and I'm gonna teach you how to play it. So you need a C and a C. Everything kind of comes back to this C. C, 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 B, C, B, G. Sounds kind of tricky when you slow it down, actually. Let's do that again. C, 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 B, C, B, G, E, I will cross over, D, C, and then you're kind of repeating that pattern. C up high, low, high, B, C, B, G, C, G, C, E, F, E, C. And then again, C, 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 B, C, B, G, E, cross over, D, C, and then we're just gonna like E, D, C, E, D, C, G, D. It's kind of tricky. I'm gonna play a little faster. Take some practice on this one, my friends, but it's really worth it because it's so pretty, especially when you add your left hand. It only has to do it a little bit. F, G, E, F, F, G, E. It's just doing that over and over. So together, F, notice I did crazy fingering with my right hand. It's okay. You can go with what feels good for you in the moment. And when you're ready, extra note there that was wrong. There's the right one. That's where you should land. And finally, no iconic piano intros, songs, lesson would be complete without to play. All you need is E, D sharp, E, D sharp, E, B, D, C, A, C, E, A, B, E, G sharp, B, C, and then that repeats. And the left hand just goes A, E, A, E, E, cross over to G sharp, A, E, repeat. So that last little bit was just E, C, B, A. And then you've got it. It's so pretty. These songs all have reasons why they became iconic piano intros or songs or Hollywood moments. It's because they just get stuck in your ears. They have this catchy melody. And so I'm sorry in advance if you find yourself humming or singing these throughout the day. It just means you should go to your piano and play them. See, this is like my sneaky way to get you to practice, get these songs stuck in your head, show you how to play them, and then you'll just be like, I gotta go play it on the piano. Mind control. No, I'm just joking, but I really do want you to practice. That would make me so happy. So I hope you had fun. If I missed some iconic piano songs that you're like, oh, Elise, why were those on your list? Comment below, share them with me. Maybe we'll do a part 2 of this lesson. So happy practicing, and I'll see you around.